dirty novel on the lawn, riding, and the creaking of the wheels calls to me, and I can see the wolves, even I can see the wolves, yet another dull delight of no control.
Yeah. That one has open seating, so if you guys
I've been away, I've been away, I've been away, I've been away. After an hour of omissions, the ground moving so slow and discreet, and I was forming lines of division in the skies, the sketch of no man's off-brand urgency. I've been away, I've been away, I've been away, I've been away. I can hear your running about violence, living in your running tape silence. I can sense your secret power, sleeping till the final hour. I've been away, I've been away.
I spoke earlier about how Tacoma, before the ports were built, before the land was filled in, was just a big marsh at the mouth of a river. As we turn away from Puget Sound now and head inland, if you look out the right-hand side and forward, you'll see the delta of the Nisqually River. And this is what Seattle looked like when the first white settlers arrived, and this is what Tacoma looked like when the first white settlers arrived. And we're seeing it at low tide, which is good because you'll see a lot of dry land. But at high tide, the water, of course, covers most of that. This is now preserved and protected as the Nisqually Wildlife Refuge, National Wildlife Refuge. It was named recently for Billy Franks, who was a member of the Nisqually tribe who fought hard to restore fishing rights that were, and the Americans subsequently ignored the treaties and took all.
Your paintbrushes are afraid. Your bed will be unmade for days, but you are too tired to clean them up. The holy unwise will tell you to fill someone else's cup. You are too tired for this, and you begin to wonder if you'd really be missed. Yeah, you are too tired for this, and you begin to wonder if you'd really be missed. On the pavement you walk alone. The bus dropped you off and you're finally home. But you drift to your room and you sleep for years. Your bed will make you cry and your dreams have no fears. You are too tired for this, and you begin to wonder if you'd really be missed. You are exhausted and you can't find your way. Just let it all happen and remain and stand still.
It's gonna happen again. This is that once in a lifetime. This is the thrill divine.